how to use Bybit 20 USDT coupon. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how you can easily use the 20 USDT coupon on Bybit app. So whenever you create your account on the Bybit application with someone's referral link, you are going to get the 20 USDT and sometime 100 USDT coupon code. Now you must be wondering how you can actually use it, whether you need to deposit into your Bybit account or not, or whether that 20 USDT will work for you. So in order to use those 20 USDT coupon, you need to tap on the Rewards Hub tab on the home page of Bybit, and then you will be landed on this Rewards Hub page. Over here you need to select the My Rewards option, and here you will be able to see the 20 USDT or the 10 USDT, whichever coupon code that you have. So you just have to tap on this coupon code, and here you will be able to see the use or the claim option over here. So you need to tap on that claim option, and once you have successfully claimed the 20 USDT coupon code, you just have to simply deposit some money into your Bybit application. After that, whenever you use your deposited money in order to trade on Bybit, whichever the platform fee Bybit charges from you will be cut from this coupon code that you have just claimed. So this is how the Bybit coupon code actually work, and this is how you can easily redeem it over here. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.